the end of this video, you will understand how you can make money on Binance and the things you can do to make this easy and possible. You must have seen a lot of people that have made a whole lot of money by simply trading cryptocurrency. It's all over the social media. You get to see people who flaunt their wealth by simply trading cryptocurrency. There are also people who has lost all their money by trading cryptocurrency. But this type of people do not come out to come and tell you their experiences. But do not worry, I'm here to put you through so that you can trade safely without losing your money. The first episode of this video, I did a step-by-step tutorial of how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance via P2P method. So in this video, I'm going to explain vividly and show you exactly how you can make money with Binance P2P. Well, people pay a huge amount of money to learn this, but because I care about you guys, I'm going to teach you everything for free. And in exchange for this, kindly click on the subscribe button. My name is Julius, and on this channel, I make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how you can manage your money, how you can invest, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we drop videos on this channel. So sit back, relax, while we get straight to the point. There are various ways you can earn from Binance P2P, which include 1. Buying from P2P and waiting until rates increase so that you can sell back on P2P. I explained how you can buy and sell in my last video.
Go on.
The other way you can actually make money from P2P is buying coin from other people and selling it via P2P. And how do we go about this? The first thing you have to do is to advertise. You must take it serious because it's a real type of business. You can post on your social media accounts, which include your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and even your Snapchat. For example, you can post, I need cryptocurrency, rate is high, or I am buying cryptocurrency at a very high rate. On your WhatsApp or any other social media you would like to use. Then you wait so that your friends and followers can reach out to you whenever they have crypto to sell.
A few moments later.
And when they reach out to you to know how much you are willing to buy, the next thing you have to do is to rush to Binance P2P on the sell section. Check the rate for the amount of crypto they want to sell to you. Deduct what you want to have as your gain, which could range between 5 to 7 naira. So the next thing you have to do is to negotiate with your seller. Then once your seller agrees with your price, copy your Binance wallet and send it to them. Make sure you send BTC wallet if you are buying BTC or USDT wallet if you are buying USDT. You have to be very careful about this so that you won't lose your money. And once they send crypto to your wallet, wait till it is confirmed and deposited into your wallet. If you're able to buy Bitcoin or any other crypto, you have to convert it to USDT because the USDT is a stable coin, so it will not depreciate before you finish trading. So to convert your crypto to USDT, you have to come to trade, then sell, then click on this box. So you click on sell BTC. So your BTC will be converted to USDT. Go back to wallet. As you can see, we already have our USDT, 399 USDT. Now you have to transfer it to your funding wallet. Transfer from spot to funding. Change this to USDT. USDT max. That's everything you have in your USDT wallet. And confirm transfer. Okay. Then you go to your funding wallet. Click on P2P. Go to the sell section. Click on this icon that looks like funnel so that you can enter the amount you want to sell. So I've calculated the amount of the crypto I want to sell in my local currency. So that is why I'm entering 480,000 naira here. So that is the range of what I want to sell, then confirm. So we have to check for trader that has a high completion rate and the trader that can pay us within a short period of time so that we can quickly pay our supplier. So these traders are having a minimum completion time of 30 minutes. And the first person on the list has 9.60% completion rate, which is not good enough. So we have to move forward to the second trader on that list, which has about 85.10% completion rate. So that is cool. We can actually proceed and trade with this person. Sell. So I'm going to enter the amount of USDT I want to trade. USDT all, because I want to sell all the USDT that I've bought from my supplier. Then select payment method. So I select my payment method, then click on sell USDT. So at this point, we just have to wait for the buyer to send payment to our bank account. And once they pay, they click transfer at their own end, and we get notification here that they've actually paid to our bank account, but we still have to proceed to check our bank account if we've received the money. So if you didn't get any response from your trader, probably because they are offline or busy with other trades, you can send them a message to notify them. So you can also take a screenshot of what you receive and send it to your supplier for transparency's sake. After then, you proceed to ask for the account. You just have to keep talking to them so that they can feel relaxed. Then we go back to our trade to check if our buyer has paid. So as you can see, please release. We go ahead to check our account balance to see if our buyer has paid. Yeah, I received the money in my account, and the next thing I'm supposed to do is to release the coin to the buyer. Payments received. I have received and verified the following amounts in my account. Yes. Then confirm, release. So after we've concluded our trade, the next thing we have to do right now is to pay our supplier. So we've already gotten the supplier's account, and the next thing we have to do is to pay the supplier. And after you are done with the payment, send them evidence for transparency's sake. You have to be very honest if you want more people to sell coin to you. You cannot just take people coin and refuse to pay them. It will affect you in the nearest future because people will stop patronizing you. It is very important for you to be honest, to be very loyal and transparent if you want to keep doing this type of business. Thank you so much. I will always get in touch with you. As you can see, my supplier is very happy with the trade, and I'm very sure in the nearest future they will always get in touch with me whenever they have crypto to sell. So to do this type of business is very easy. As you can see, within a very short time, we've actually made some profit, though it might not be that much. But just imagine if you repeat this trade as much as 10 times in a day, you can see how much you're going to make. And with time, people will start bringing you bulk coin, which will also fetch more profit. You can earn daily from P2P without any capital. All you need is your phone, internet, and you have to be consistent with posting on social media for awareness so that people around and far can know that you're in the business of buying crypto. This business strategy is very straightforward. You just need someone to sell crypto to you, trade it on Binance P2P, pay your supplier, then you can now keep your profits. The major pillar of this business is honesty. You have to be honest with your supplier so that they can keep bringing this for you. Though this is not a quick risk scheme, but it is a scalable business. If you have any question concerning this video, you can drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it, or you can reach out to me via my Instagram. Link will be in the description below. If you are looking forward to making more money, you can check out my videos on 5 ways to create passive income. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload videos like this one. I have trades to attend to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.